ChargePoint Plus. EV charging only. Installation in progress. Touch any button to continue. So this is, I think you need your room key here. These are very expensive apartment rooms on Anton. I think 585 or something, 580. It's called a Halcyon House. And you just press a button. You got your different languages and shit. English, US, select. Hold on, somebody's coming. Hey.
Yeah, I'm not just doing a couple of things to fuck you.
Damn.
Bro, last Saturday,
Huh?
what is this fucking stupid lights? Ugly motherfuckers. Hey, I don't see the difference, more bright or bright.
Yeah, the little light. It's just for decoration, you know? Because they're so small.
Son of a bitch. Pain in the ass. Pain in the
Fucking ass. And you can't even turn them off.
Look, I like it more that shit. Look.
Yeah, this, yeah.
Boom. Lights.
These are expensive as hell.
It is. It's for electric cars.
Yeah, look at EV.
You know, I'm working especially in side jobs to be one. Not bad.
Yeah, dude. You can charge people. You charge a lot of money. Yeah. Yeah. I'm in charging. Or I am.
Should be taking all that shit out already, but still.